Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you that are new to my channel, my name is Pakula, and thank you guys for tuning in. For those of you that are coming back, thank you guys for tuning back in. And if you guys haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and also hit the notification button, as you would want to get notified every time I post a new video. So in today's video, I'm going to be giving feedback about the Indian healing clay as promised on my previous video. So basically in this video, I'm just going to be giving feedback as I do a hairstyle that I love so much. It's just flat twists. That's all, nothing complicated. I have posted a video on flat twists, so if I don't explain much on this one, please do look out for the previous video. I'm going to put a link down below so that you can be able to access it if you want to learn how to flat twist your hair. So guys, regarding the Indian healing clay, I did use it to wash my hair and the feedback is kind of great, especially for my face. I did use it for the hair and my face, so I really love the results on my face. On my hair, I saw a little bit of result, but it's not so visible on the video. So basically the hair that you see now, I had washed with the Indian healing clay. So we'll start by, what did it do for my hair? Basically what I noticed after using this Indian healing clay was it really defined my curls, especially during the washing and all that. It was easy to detangle, and most definitely moisture. My hair is, as you can see, my hair is really moisturized. Yeah, this is right after I used the Indian healing clay to wash my hair, so I went and did this hairstyle. I really feel like my hair is moisturized and the curls were defined, especially right after washing it. Here I had already dried it with with an old t-shirt. So yeah, that's what it did for my hair, and I would recommend using it, and I'm going to use it going forward. And there is a lot of information and instructions at the back of the Indian healing clay container. It really explains everything, how you use it, what not to do and what to do, what to expect. And here it says it removes impurities and dirt from the pores and also does deep pore cleaning. What I also noticed was it did really shrink my pimples, and by the end of the week I almost didn't have any pimples on my face. But one thing I've also noticed was the moment I stopped using it, I started getting the pimples again. So I had to continuously use it. Not every day though. I would have to use it maybe once a week or twice a week, and that still works for me. So if you are going to use this, then you have to use it as your mask every time you wanna use a mask on your face. Yeah, but it really does work. And some more instructions, you can use water. You can mix it with water instead of apple cider vinegar. Some people use honey to make their paste, but I usually prefer using the apple cider vinegar or water. Oh, and another thing I forgot to mention is when you have your mask on the face, you are going to feel a pulling or tightening sensation. So that's when it starts drying up and stuff, but you shouldn't worry about that. And part of the instructions that specify that you will see some slight redness, especially if you light skinned, but it's normal and you shouldn't worry about it. It should disappear within 30 minutes. Yeah, and that's about it. My reviews on the Indian healing clay or feedback. I hope you guys are willing to try it out. Guys, please, if any one of you knows where I can buy this cheaper, please let me know, because hey, Take A Lot is expensive. Yeah, but anyways, that's where I got mine. And if you're looking to purchase and you still don't know where to purchase it, try Take A Lot. I will put a link down below. And guys, please comment down below on this video. Let me know if you liked it. Do you like this type of content? Would you like me to do more of this type of content, or would you like to see something else? Please let me know in the comments box below what you would like to see more from me what you like me to post, or the type of content that you would like to see on my channel. I would really love to share something that you guys love. So yeah, your feedback would be great. And I hope you guys enjoyed watching the video. I hope you like the feedback about the Indian healing clay. I hope you're gonna try it out. Thanks for watching. Bye.